Imagine walking into like a massive sports bar on opening weekend. You've got 20 screens, 5 different games, and just flawless audio perfectly synced to the main event.
Oh, yeah, it's a sensory overload.
Yeah.
But, you probably don't think about the brain running it all, at least until one screen goes black.
Right. Welcome to today's deep dive. We are looking at a spec sheet from HDTV Supply for a device with a very clunky name.
Oh, very clunky.
Yeah, the Avenview HDM-SwitchPro-VW4 4x4 HDMI matrix switcher. So our mission today is to decode exactly how this unassuming piece of hardware commands that chaotic audiovisual experience for you.
I mean, it really is the unsung hero of commercial entertainment. People generally assume you just, plug cables into a TV and magic happens.
Just plug and play.
Exactly. But when you are dealing with multiple live feeds going to multiple screens simultaneously, a standard consumer setup just collapses under the weight of the data.
Okay, so let's unpack this. The core identity of this box is a 4x4 matrix, but we shouldn't think of it as a basic router, right?
No, not at all. It's really more like a master symphony conductor.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it takes 4 distinct 1080p 60 Hz HDMI inputs, meaning it's wrangling 60 full high-definition frames per second per feed.
Wow.
And it flawlessly directs them to any of 4 different screens without missing a single beat.
Right, and what's fascinating here is the sheer processing power required to pull that off, especially when it runs in reverse as a multi-input splitter.
Oh, absolutely. You can take one single source, like the big championship game, and clone that massive continuous data stream across all 4 monitors at the exact same millisecond.
With no lag?
No lag, no stuttering.
But wait, I have to push back a little here. I mean, I can go online right now and buy a basic HDMI splitter for like $20.
Sure you can.
Why does this Avenview unit cost over $2,600? That feels incredibly steep just for moving video streams around.
Well, that price tag comes from the fact that it doesn't just move images, it actively manipulates them in real time.
Okay, how so?
It features a dual viewer mode that literally stitches 4 distinct video signals onto 2 monitors using a picture-aside picture format.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and the real processor-heavy feature is its Videowall 2x2 mode.
So what does this all mean for the actual viewing experience, for you sitting in the bar?
Well, imagine taking one standard broadcast feed and stretching it across 4 separate TVs arranged in a giant square.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
Now, think about the thick plastic frames, the bezels around each of those TVs.
Right.
If you just stretch an image blindly, those bevels will cut right through the quarterback's face, or the football, making the whole picture look totally disjointed.
Right, like looking through a really poorly aligned window pane.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which is why this device uses something called bezel correction.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't just stretch the image. It mathematically calculates the exact millimeter width of those physical plastic gaps.
Wait, really?
Yeah. And it intentionally hides specific pixels of the video feed behind the scenes. It tricks your brain, creating the optical illusion that you are looking through one giant unbroken piece of glass.
See, here's where it gets really interesting. Because creating that perfect visual illusion is only half the battle. If the audio drops out, the illusion is completely ruined.
Oh, 100%.
And this unit is processing massive, uncompressed audio files. We're talking up to 7.1 channel LPCM, Dolby True HD, and DTS HD.
It's practically a high-end home theater receiver stuffed into a tiny commercial switcher.
And doing all of that inside a 1U rack size, meaning it's only 1.75 inches tall?
Yep, designed to slide right into a cramped, hot equipment closet.
Crazy.
But if we connect this to the bigger picture, the real value for a business owner is in the fail-safes. Have you ever plugged your laptop into a projector or a TV and gotten that dreaded, unsupported resolution black screen?
Oh my gosh, all the time. It is the absolute worst.
Right. This switcher prevents that using auto EDID detection.
Okay, what does that mean?
Essentially, the device physically shakes hands with every connected TV and asks, hey, what exact resolution and audio formats can you handle?
Oh, that is brilliant.
And automatically tailors the feed for each specific screen before it even sends the signal.
And looking at the specs, it stores 4 favorite layout presets. So like, a bartender doesn't need an IT degree to set up Sunday football.
No, they just hit a button on an IR remote.
Or a technician can control it remotely over the network using Telnet, or through RS-232 serial cables for those complex automated touch panel systems you see in high-end boardrooms.
It just adapts to whoever needs to drive it.
So to wrap this up, the Avenview switcher takes that simple A to B cable pipeline and turns it into a totally customizable digital canvas.
Yeah, it's a matrix, a splitter, and a video wall processor functioning invisibly in the background.
So you can just enjoy the show.
This raises an important question, though. As this kind of commercial-grade, multi-screen processing tech gets smaller, cheaper, and, easier to control via simple software and USB, how long until the standard home living room evolves?
Oh, wow.
Right. Are we moving toward a future where watching TV at home means commanding your own fully customizable wraparound video wall?
Going from a single screen to becoming the conductor of your own visual universe, definitely something for you to ponder the next time you pick up your remote.